Wreath bases are an essential component when it comes to crafting beautiful wreaths. They come in various shapes and sizes, and the most popular ones are polystyrene, wicker, wire, rattan ring, and straw ring. First, a wreath frame serves as the sturdy base for your creation. Choose a size that suits your door or wall. Next, you'll need fresh green foliage. Pine, holly, or even eucalyptus make excellent choices. Now on to the tools. A pair of sharp, reliable secateurs will make quick work of trimming your foliage. Floral wire secures everything in place, while a hot glue gun provides extra reinforcement. And finally, decorations. Baubles, ribbons, pine cones, and cinnamon sticks or orange slices can add a dash of festive flair. Remember, this is your wreath, so choose decorations that reflect your personal style. With your frame at the ready, start by trimming your foliage into manageable pieces. Aim for a mix of lengths to create texture and depth. Once you have a good pile, begin attaching these pieces to the frame with floral wire. Work in one direction, layering the foliage to cover the frame. Don't rush this part. Take your time, adding and adjusting until you're happy with how it looks. Arrange your decorations in a way that appeals to you. Whether you prefer a minimalist look with just a few pine cones or a display of baubles and ribbons, the choice is yours. Secure each decoration with a dab of hot glue or florist binding wire, ensuring they're firmly in place. To recap, you'll start by gathering your materials. A wire wreath frame, fresh foliage, a pair of secateurs, floral wire, a hot glue gun, and your chosen decorations. Trim and attach the foliage to the frame, layering as you go. Once you're happy with your base, add your decorations with the help of your glue gun or florist wire.